Welcome back, guys. It's time for a new project. So we're going to start working on the MPI. This is a fairly rusty MPI that, well, it did have an MOT a couple of years ago, so it can't be too bad in terms of its running gear. But we picked this up, and this one's going to be different for a couple of reasons. One, I'm not going to show every single little thing like we did on the Mini 25. And it's not going to be restored exactly as it would have been out of the factory. This one will have some mods, some personalization. Anyway, this is the first video on it, so first thing, I need to drop the rear subframe because there's lots of rust in the corners of the boot. We're arming ourselves, WD-40, we've got some wire brushes, and yeah, let me start the process putting penetration oil on these for the next few evenings, and then we'll try and actually undo some bolts. See you in a bit. Let's have a quick look in the back of this MPI then. So there's a hole here in the floor, just there. So we're probably going to have a banana section to put in there. There is some repairs which will need redoing. Bracket might be savable though, so we'll get that whole section there. Well, this arch is in a bad way actually. At the top there, that's fiberglass you can see sticking through. At the bottom down there, and actually the front, which we see from the other outside, I'm gonna have to just assume at the minute that it's similar over there, but I could get the fuel tank drained and out for that. Valance is beyond ropey. Yeah, there's the front of the arch. See, there's a little hole. It's probably quite a big hole. Floors and seals, well, they're over seals, but we won't be making a big thing about removing those and showing all the damage. We'll just stick full length quarter floors or half floors. There is some rust there, which is a bit annoying in that quarter panel, and along the bottom edge. So don't know how bad that'll be. We might just do a small local repair on that. The rest of the quarter panel is obviously pretty good. Oh, you can see the reflection of the one I did earlier. Yeah, anyway, we are on a pallet on wheels which stops there, so we can drop the subframe. Just got the front wheels sort of supported a bit. That's a little bit about the back. We're going to start at the back again. We need an access hole there and on the other side, so we've got one of these. One hole. Second hole. No comment. Okay, so 2 there, 2 at the front, and the same on that side, so that's 8. Place your bets now. How many are we going to shear trying to remove the subframe? Remove the fuel tank. This is an MPI, so feed return breather, disconnect. 3 cables, 2 will be on the level sensor, one on the fuel pump. So that's that one on the top there. Level sender ones are on there.
Well, that's one that didn't share. Let's do the others. Well, that's good. He's going to come out. That's 3. That's not so good. It's turning, but it's not turning there. Right then. Who had their money on one? Grinder came out for this one. We'll just have to punch him through now. Get the hammer and I'll hit him. And he's gone. One wasn't bad. These ones here needed a lot of heat, but they came. 1 out of 8. Congratulate yourself if that's what you chose.